Hi, Public Rec. They focus on men's and women's clothing, specifically athleisure, so athletic wear as well as everyday wear, combined athleisure. They also have accessories like belts, bags, beanies, backpacks, as well as hats. Well, not this hat, but more hats. I picked up some of their outerwear, so let's get into it. That's the box. This is the all-day, everyday 5-pocket pant. This one is in the fog color. These pants are made from a unique blend of nylon and spandex to really help with durability as well as comfort and the shape. They say 88% nylon and 12% spandex. So this is actually my second pair. I'm actually wearing Public Rec right now. This is their long sleeve, I believe, Elevate Polo in the heather gray. And it's really comfortable and the material's definitely athleisure. And you get that same feeling, especially with these pants. This is, again, my second pair of the all-day, everyday 5-pocket pant. I have one in the, I believe, heather charcoal. But yeah, when I first wore these, they're really soft. And I noticed that on the side, they have elastic. So it really helps with that stretch and that fit. So let's get it on. So I'm 5'9", about 145 pounds. And this is a 31 by 30. It's got that side zipper for extra storage and security so things stay put. Here's the pocket. Here's the lining. Again, so you got two right here. Same with this side. And then you have your two back pockets. You also have belt loops. And here it is. Fits well. Alright, we're gonna do the classic chair. So this snout fits. Oh, alright. It's a little more tapered to my leg. So if you like that slim fit type of feel, I think these pants are a good choice. And again, they're athleisure, so super comfortable. But you could also tuck it in, wear it in a professional setting, and I think you'll be all right. These are pants. Ooh. Yep. This is the better than down vest. Here it is. Wow, it's a nice weight to it. So I got a size small in a navy finish. It actually looks big. This vest has a relaxed athletic fit that can handle layering, activity, and cold temperatures. It's made from 90.5% polyester and 9.5 spandex. It has the 3M Thinsulate, which is a featherless insulation. Quick drying, machine washable, hypoallergenic. Synthetic insulation helps you stay warm and dry by trapping and holding body heat while allowing moisture to escape. Before I try it on, there's an inside zipper pocket on the left side to store your belongings. So there's the two zipper pockets. Got the Public Rec logo right here. You zip it up. Here's the inside. There's a soft feel on the inside. Again, that zipper pocket. Right here. Let's zip it up. Alright, so this is how it looks. Zipped up all the way. So the inside material on the neck is not the same as for the rest of the body, but it covers a good portion, not the full neck, but a good portion of the neck, keeps it warm. It's thick, it's not lightweight, but I mean, it'll definitely keep you warm. I feel warm already, so here's the vest. Next up, we have the Workday Bomber in a dark navy. So the exterior is 100% polyester and the interior is 79% polyester and 21% cotton. So there's the inside. There we go. The inside lining of the pockets is just like the inside of the jacket. It's a size small. So let's look at the collar. There we go. Feels good. Has that bomber style collar. Oops. Oh, got stuck. Has the side pocket on the inside. And the last feature. So, again, the exterior is polyester. Cool thing about this jacket, it's reversible. Bring it in, it's exactly the same. Well, not exactly, but there we go. So this is what it looks like. Again, you got the pockets. So it's two different pockets. So you also have pockets. Two pockets here. The only difference is you have no inside pocket. I guess. I mean, if you want to use these, but there's no inside pocket here. Instead, you have it on the outside. So that's how it looks. Let's zip this up. There we go. So you can see the collar as well. Pretty neat, the Workday bomber. I don't think I'll wear it reversed. I think I like the original better, but you have options. Lastly is, I believe, a new item that they came out with, and that's the Cyclone Trench coat. So let's get it out. There we go. So this is in the vintage khaki, and I got a size small. This is perfect for obviously cold weather, but also rain, snow, like here in Utah, which I think we're going to get a lot of this season, so not fun to drive in, but definitely fun for snowboarding. So, we have two side pockets. I don't know if you can see that. It's the logo. It has four-way stretch for maximum flexibility. You could adjust the cuff on this. There's two buttons, so you could adjust that a little tighter. I mean, it's not that much tighter, but it's something, and it'll be helpful, especially when you're wearing longer sleeves underneath. The inside, you have storage right there. So here's the hood. So let's actually close it up so you can see what it looks like. So this is fully zipped up. Let's close. I'm not going to close all the buttons, but let's just close a few so you can see. This is what it looks like. Where my butt is, so it goes down pretty low. So it really gets that coverage in the rain or snow. It's zipped up all the way. So we're gonna button it up. Definitely covers your neck. And lastly, the hood. Oh wow, that's tight. Okay. I don't know if I can get the hood on without, yeah, so a little tricky if you're gonna get the hood on. Put it on first, zip it up. So here's the hood. if you're gonna put the hood and zip it up all the way, there you go. Again, this is great. I think more for outer shell. I mean, like windy days, like this is actually really comfy and perfect for it, and very stylish. But if you're gonna wear this in like really cold weather, definitely layer underneath, throw this on top, and you have that room. Again, this is a size small. I'm 5'9", about 145 pounds, and I think I could wear maybe like a sweater, or maybe like 2 to 3 layers underneath, and I think I would kind of be at my limit in terms of mobility. If you want to layer much more underneath, I would go size up, because this is a size small and it fits well. You know, it's not like crazy tight. I have enough room to layer a little bit underneath, especially in the cuffs. It does feel a little bit tight up here, but you know, it works well for, I guess, like moderately cold. But I mean, when it's cold, like even like 50, 45 degrees, like I'll layer like crazy because I get cold really easily. So it all depends on, I guess, your cold weather tolerance. But for me, I have some pieces that I could layer underneath that don't take up much room at all, so I think I'll be okay. But for those of you that have more layers that you want to put in underneath, or you get cold much easier than I do, then maybe size up, and then you'll have a little bit more flexibility. Although you may compromise the length. So this is how far it comes for me. This is a size small, and right here, the overall length. You might have to deal with a little bit longer, but you know, that's what you want. Honestly, man, I don't feel like wearing this when I snowboard, just layering underneath and more. I don't know, we'll see. Alright guys, well that's it for Public Rec. Make sure you check out their new outerwear, including everything we covered here, as well as some of their classics like the Polo and the all-day everyday 5-pocket pants. And they come in a variety of colors, so you have a lot of options. If you're in the market for shoes, I did a review on Beckett Simonon, and they're having a pretty big sale right now, so check that out. You can pick up everything from boots, loafers, derbies, Oxfords, you name it. They have it. Sneakers, they have it all. Super high quality, and they're made to order, so when you place the order, they'll send you updates every couple of weeks letting you know what stage the shoe is being made in. And also, when you get the shoe, there's also a nice card written by somebody that worked on your shoe. Like, actually, they wrote on the card, you know, a nice little message. So that's really nice, and you know the shoe is quality, high quality, and you know it feels very special knowing that someone actually wrote you something by pen, not just typed it out, and it's especially for you. So check out that video. The link is in the description as well as the corner of this video. If you like this video, cool. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.